Hello guys, so I want to show you how to fix the issue with the GD library in PHP. Probably most of you probably most of you are wondering why you are experiencing this error, right? So GD library, it is an extension that provides functionality for handling graphics and like directly from PHP scripts. It supports like PNG, JPEG, and the other formats as well, right? So uh, without taking much of your time, let's fix this issue. So the first thing that you would want to do when we encounter such kind of error, we need to check in the PHP logs, right? And then let's look at this here. It's saying it's trying to here the library tried in this folder, right? And says the specified model could not be found. So the model is not there, right? So let us go into our MAMP, right? So that's MAMP config, the version of PHP we're currently using. So let us open this in Notepad, right? So press Ctrl F to find and do search for GD and find next. Here we see that we do have the extension here, but it has been commented out, right? So we uncomment this. Now just to be sure, let us check if we have this extension in the extensions folder for our current PHP Vision, right? So I'll just put this aside and we're going to navigate to our MAMP directory, and then we go to PHP. That's been PHP, and then we looking at 8.01, right? And then we go to our extensions folder, and we can see that we do have that's GD2, right? It's here, but we don't have GD2, we only have GD. So meaning that what we have to do is we'll uncomment here and just, or let us just, so to be sure, let's just copy this below here, right? We paste and then we remove the two from here, and we can go ahead, save this, and we can close, and we would want to restart our servers again. Okay, so let's hit the start button. Okay, so our servers are up and running, and let's see if it's working. Boom, it's working. So at least now we know that the script is working, as in the extension is not working, right? So there you have it, guys. That is how you resolve the issues. The other areas are like resolve as carry along. But thank you for watching, guys.